Hey everybody, this is Eric with Adventure Experience. I am here at the bottom of the Grand Canyon in August. Yeah, it's August 16, something like that. I don't know. Once you're on a river trip in the Grand Canyon, you tend to lose track of days. You tend to lose track of days of the week, actually. We just know we're at mile, we're at mile whatever, and House Rock is the next rapid. And that's pretty much all you need to know on the Grand Canyon trip. What is interesting? Doing it in August. If you're wondering, is it hot down here? Can I just tell you, it's a new level of hot down here. What's really fun is these rocks that have been sitting in the sun all day, right? They're dark in color. They are actually radiating heat right now. It's actually like I'm standing in an oven. Yeah. Thank goodness we're on a river trip and we can go jump in there. Granted, the water temperature down there is about 50 degrees and the outside temperature is about 105 degrees. So, I don't know, somewhere in the middle, we're comfortable, right? Well, that's what you'd say if you were a mathematician. In the meantime, it is hot down here, it is fun, but we are having a blast. Why? Because there's something about coming out and doing something different, something crazy, something you may not know how it's going to end. Maybe things could go badly. Maybe there could be carnage in the rapids. Someone could flip. Someone could be injured. How do you get out of here? How am I going to brush my teeth without getting sand in the toothpaste? I'm telling you, there's all kinds of little things you overcome on a Grand Canyon rafting trip. I'm saying, what if we did that in our everyday life? What if we went out of our way to bring small things, small tiny little risks and challenges into our everyday lives that we overcame? Would the big challenges, would the big risks be such a big deal then? I wonder. We'll unpack that in more detail later. Right now, I just want to tell you, it's hot and I'm going to take a break and I should probably drink some water because, yeah, hydration is important, especially at the bottom of the Grand Canyon in August. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Eric. Adventure is my brand. Thank you for joining me on Adventure Experience, the series. We'll catch you again here in a bit.